Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to Djmadder. So today I bought the RC controller from DJI. I've wanted this controller literally forever. So I finally bought it. I bought some other things with it and y'all are gonna unbox it with me. So without further ado, our Amazon packages came. Let's go ahead and open them. I know we have the DJI-RC remote, we have the controller, and we have something else I decided to get, and we also have the screen protector. So we can go ahead and open those right now, and you'll see it right here because I have 2 camera setups. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we're going to start off with this controller because it's absolutely ginormous. So this is a Lickfee DJI-R2S controller for the DJI-RC. It is a $54 case, which isn't too bad, but it is a hard case, which is really cool. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Very, very nice case, very slim. I like how it is. It's bigger than my other one. I really like this case. Let's go ahead and open it. Just like that, you see maybe instructions inside. Really, you don't need any use for instructions, so just set that aside. So you just need to pull this out for the thing. You have the drone, batteries, this is really nice case. Wow, okay. So this is what the case looks like. You have all your battery components right here. You have your charging things right here that you can fit. You have your drone that you can fit. And then you have, of course, have the drone or the controller. So we can just pull that out if we need the other controller. So very nice case. I do approve. Alright guys, so here is the controller screen protector, just in case it cracks. Or not just in case it cracks, but it can protect it from cracking. Here's what this looks like. It is a glass 3-pack. Let that camera focus. We can go ahead and put these on after we unbox the controller. I got myself a new mat, as you guys can see, because I don't have a mat, so there's that. And then we got a DJI-RC controller, which it is used, but it's in brand new condition, so we're good. Just go ahead and unbox it. Yes, that is a knife, but we just put it back. Alright, so here we go. My first time owning one. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Just think, this thing's mine now. This is crazy. I like this. We'll take it out of the packaging. You can go ahead and see what all comes with it. So it does come with the charger. Controller sticks. This is what the controller looks like. We can go ahead and undo the sticks. Put the sticks in. This is so worth the $200 I paid for it. Actually, I paid $200 for this entire order. So worth the $103 I paid for it. Thank you guys for gift cards, by the way. Alright, let's go ahead and power it on. Press and hold. See what pops up. Shows up DJI. Looks like it's loading for a second. Device is starting. DJI fly as you are. And then we can go ahead and do my drone unboxing soon. Alright, here we go. So now it's just going to go through all of the typical things. We're going to hit next. Join. Here's the controller right here. This is the DJI-RC. I'm going to just show you some things that I think is really cool on it. I'm going to show you how the controller works and what you can do on it. So starting off, this is the view. You can actually see me right here. I set my drone right over there. That's probably what the sound is. But no, you can have the main DJI screen. You can see all of your flight records and everything with that focus in. You can get maps on it. You can connect to Wi-Fi. You can even record your screen if you want to. As you can see right there, record screen. You can even add mobile data, adjust your brightness, adjust everything else. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, airplane mode, mute, record screen, screen sharing, or screen recording, and mobile data. And yeah, then you can like start your drone, start flying and everything, so I'll show you. Just like a typical DJI-RC N1, which comes with it, you just press and hold in. Or you can press this little button and just hit takeoff. So press in and hold, and then just go up. And there you go. And it really is as simple as that. I mean, that's really the controller. You have your power button, you have your home and pause buttons, sport, cine, and normal. You have your joysticks, photo and video, zoom, and gimbal. You have these back buttons you can program to whatever you literally want. Is it worth the money? Yes, it's worth the money. So I really suggest you should get one of these. Hop on Amazon, they're selling them for $199 used. It's the one I got. Brand new, they're $309, so it'll save you a pretty penny. Yeah, so like this is really a controller. If you guys want tips and tricks, let me know down below, and I can make a video on that. But further than there, this has officially been Djmadder. I love you guys. Peace.